What if you could build a complete production-ready website from scratch without writing a single line of code manually and without getting that generic copy-paste AI look? In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a clean, responsive, and gorgeous website using Claude Code. Most people try using standard AI prompt and end up with a broken layout or messy code that takes hours to fix. But now with Claude Code, you get an AI assistant that actually acts like a senior developer, managing your files, setting up the design system, running local servers, and refining every single component until it's pixel perfect. If you are looking to supercharge your web development workflow with AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that said, let's get into it. And now first thing first, in order to use the Claude Code inside your desktop app, you will have to upgrade to the Pro plan of Claude. And once you have the Pro plan, make sure to download the Claude desktop app as well, that I have done. From home you can switch to Claude Code here, okay? And I'm using it already, so I'll just start a new session here. Once you get this page, then you are ready to go. And secondly, you can see that I have created a folder on my desktop which is travel website. And we are going to build a travel agency website in this video, so I have created this folder. Inside that folder I have added a logo. Let's just rename it to simple logo. And I have added some images with proper names. Like these images can be used as background images, and these are for gallery, and this is for the hero background, okay? Now I have generated a brand guide for this website using ChatGPT, and that you can see here. What I did is I uploaded this screenshot, and by the way, this is the website that we will be using for our inspiration. So I uploaded this image to ChatGPT and asked it to create a brand guide for Claude Code, okay? That's it. It generated me this markdown file that I will upload to Claude, and Claude will follow this design system. And Claude will follow this design system, okay? Now we can do all these things inside Claude itself, but it will take much time and will hit limits and will eat tokens. So let's make it simple and let's get it done over here. And by the way, you can generate these images and videos using hex field, and then you can use them on your website as well. Now let's get started with Claude Code. First I will have to select a folder where I want to work. So I have selected this folder instead of this folder. I'll open a new one from desktop. The travel website folder, I'll select that. For the first time you will need to click Trust Workspace, and now Claude Code will work inside this folder only. And now we can start building our website by typing the prompt here. But before that, let's install a few skills to the Claude Code, and let me show you the skills and why we need them. And the first skill here is this front-end design. This is from Anthropic, the same company who develops Claude Code. We will need to install this skill globally, so just copy its link and go back to Claude, and now typing something like install this skill globally, and then paste that link and hit enter. And if it asks for permission, make sure to allow it. And then we have another skill which is UI UX Pro Max skill, and what this skill does is it tells the Claude what fonts to use, what color combinations to use, and you can see them over here: 57 UI styles, color palettes, font pairing, text tags, chart types, landing patterns, and so on. So this skill will also help Claude Code and will make it more intelligent. So let's copy its link. We'll go back to Claude, and the previous one is not installed yet. And the first skill has been installed. Let's try the second one. And for that, you will type something like, then paste the second link and hit enter. Again, allow the permissions. And the second skill requires Node.js because we have used npm here. We just need to install this locally, okay? So just click on it, open it in a browser, and click get Node.js. You will get a file to install it. Just open it and install it. And that's it. Let's go back to Claude Code, try again. And I'll just copy it and hit enter. And that's it. It asks a question about the language, so I said leave it as it is for now. And our UI UX Pro Max skill is already installed. And to verify that our skill have been installed, let's type in something like UI UX, and there we go. We can see that over here. So let's use that skill. And now we can start typing our prompt and we can create the website. Before that, let me upload those files, which is the inspiration website here and also the brand guide. And now we can start typing our prompt, the website that we need, or we can just say it. So I'll use this microphone icon. So build me a website for a travel agency. I'd like to use the attached image as a reference. I also have uploaded the MD file, which is my brand guide. Ask me any questions to complete this task. Okay. Now I can just run it. Before that, make sure to select the skills. So I'll click here, we'll hit space, and let's use the UI UX skill. So it uses this skill before running this prompt, okay? Then hit enter and running that skill. Now this will ask some question. What tech stack should be the site built with? So you can decide the website technology here. You can use HTML, CSS, React, Next.js or any other platform. For now we will use plain HTML because this is just a static website. And then a single or multi-page website, I'll use single page. And then what images should I use? So free stock images, you can use that if you don't have images, or I'll provide my own images. So I have them, I'll just use it. And then for the text, it can use placeholder content. I'll provide my text. So for now, let's keep it as placeholder text. And now listing files in that folder, reading logo and other images. Now it's almost there, but it also has opened a website preview here. It will also make sure the responsiveness on mobile. And now it's creating the menu and it has done processing. And now let's preview our website here by clicking this icon. And this is our website, which obviously not looking good. There are some issues. So before moving on, let's ask it to fix the website. I just type in this prompt, let's run it. And this time it worked, and this is our website. So let's expand it. And this is the website it generated. This is the main menu with the logo. This is the hero section with 2 buttons, a mouse scroll, link to the next section. And we have this section with some nice hover effects. A gallery which looks broken, but we can fix it. And we have this section and a form which is working. Okay, and a nice footer. Okay, so let's close it and let's try deploying it in the browser, which may not work as expected. We might need to restart the terminal. Okay, let's close it and let's try again. I'll open it in the browser and now it works. So this is our website with some nice animations. Okay, let's fix this and we will do it very easily. Okay, let's open up Claude again and we can just annotate a section here and ask it to fix it. For example, the gallery section here. So I'll click this edit icon here. We'll take a screenshot. We'll take a screenshot like it and add it to chat. You can see. And now we'll ask it to fix the gallery section, especially the last image which is broken, and to a new line. Only deal with the section attached in the screenshot. Do not run anything else. Make it faster. Let's run it. And it fixed the gallery. Now it's looking good. And this is our final website. So you can notice the colors, the fonts and the shade used, the styling, the hover effects, all these due to the skills that we have added. And now the gallery is looking good. And yeah, that's it. So this is the method you can easily build a website using Claude Code. Now I could have easily skipped the steps that I showed you here because these were taking minutes. This one takes 13 minutes and so on. But I want to be very transparent with you in this process. Now if you want to launch a website that you have built with the Claude Code, You can just let me know in the comments and I'll cover that in the next video, for which we will be using Hostinger, and the link to it will be given in the video description. And this video took me quite a while to record, and then I will have to edit it. So make sure to show some appreciation by giving it a like and sharing this video. For more such videos, follow my channel. Still, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next